All right, welcome to Thursday. A lot of running again in this one. You guys are doing basically timed miles on this one, so it's going to be 3 miles again. We've been working a lot of distance on these days lately, and so how this is going to work is you're going to start your own timer. You're going to go for a mile run. So 3, 2, 1, go. And you guys could do this walking too. I'd rather have you guys get outside for this. So if you're indoors, we get asked a lot, what do you want us to do instead of the running? I would rather have you walk a half mile then. Let's say that we'll walk a half mile. But if you're running, so this is just like you're gonna be outside for Thursday. How this is gonna work though, I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, go. I start my timer. I'm off on my run. I have to watch my clock because every 2 minutes you have to drop down and do 20 burpees, then back into your run. So for mile one, let's say I'm into my run, I hit 2 minutes, I have to drop down, do my 20 burpees, and then I'm back into my run. Next time I hit a 2-minute mark, I have to go into 20 burpees again. So that's for that whole mile. So the first mile is all burpees every 2 minutes, 20 of them. It's gonna make your mile a lot longer than it normally is. Mile 2, so you'll come back from your mile, remember your time, take 2 minutes, rest, and then you're gonna come back. Mile 2 is gonna be the same thing every 2 minutes, but now you're gonna do 20 squat jumps instead. So squat jumps is just gonna be a squat into a jump. You're gonna do 20 of them and then right back into your run, and same thing every 2 minutes you're gonna go into that movement. If you guys make it, so you get done with your second one, rest 2 minutes again. If you guys make it into that third mile in the time frame, third mile is gonna be same thing, so 2 minutes, every 2 minutes, and the third movement is 50 jumping jacks. So you're just gonna go on 50 jumping jacks and then right back into your run every 2 minutes. So 3 movements, 3 miles. Every 2 minutes you're stopping and you're doing the movement. Have fun with that one. Hopefully make it through them all. Hey guys, Game of Fitness. We're gonna go through a really quick warm up. You guys can use this every day. Doesn't matter the workout. The intent of this warm up is to be very full body oriented. So it doesn't matter what we're hitting, it'll be covered in this warm up. So go ahead and start this with us, go through it with us, and go ahead and use this before each one. Even though we are putting you through a warm up, some of you guys are doing this from home. So if you're not doing it virtually, follow along with us right now. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, feet hip width together. We're gonna reach up towards the sky, and we're gonna come down, tap your toes. Right now, I'm not worried about your back being straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Okay, so same thing, feet are hip width. We're gonna go into good mornings. I'm gonna turn to the side. Shoulder blades stay pulled back. If I curl up top, this stretch does nothing for engaging the hamstrings. 1, all the way up. 2, all the way up. Push that butt back. 3, all the way up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Next movement, we're going to alternate through high kicks. So what I'm doing is I'm bringing my leg up to my opposite hand, kicking up, trying to keep that leg as straight as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and add another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next movement, we're gonna get that hip going. So what we're gonna do is come up and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, same leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and switch legs. We're going to go the knee out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. All right, legs straight out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Next one, we're going to air squats for 10. Spread the feet out a little bit. 1, 2, all the way up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Okay, we're going to go to a lunge. When we do this lunge, if you want to go from the mat, you can go from the mat. But I want us to reach up the top. 1, back to standing. 2, back to standing. 3, back to standing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next movement, trunk twist. I'm pivoting on my feet as I'm doing this. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, and 20. Next, in the windmills, nice and wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, guys. 10. Good. Next movement, arm circles. Forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and change direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do this bent over position. 1, arms straight out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go ahead and go to 20 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, guys.